What's up, folks? My name is Felix. Welcome back to the fourth episode of my series DeFi YouTube Portfolio. This will be the monthly update for the month of July, and we want to take a look how my current positions look, in which projects I'm still invested and which projects I left over the last 30 days. Without further ado, we want to get right into it and take a look at my current portfolio. So this is my current allocation, and before we get in the individual positions, I want to talk about the projects which are not there anymore. And these are two. These are Wolf Capital. I made a dedicated video about that, why I left Wolf Capital. And the second project I left this month, or the project went to zero, the contract balance went to zero, is Speak Easy. And if you take a look back in my June update, you will see that both of these projects had a position size of around 6,000 US dollars, which I had invested in them. So basically 6,000 US dollars left the portfolio in the last month, but I have of course also new projects, which I will go into in some seconds. So my biggest position right now is Profit Wallet with over 20%. Profit Wallet, for those of you who never heard of this project, is basically a crypto ETF. It's from two German founders, available all over the world, but not in the US. So US residents can't join the project because you need to do a KYC. It's currently paying around 3% a month. And yeah, it's a community project, I would call it, with currently around 15,000 investors, and they are investing in DeFi projects and NFT projects, in physical crypto mining in Canada and in the US, and they also do seed investments and play to earn investments. This is currently my biggest position and will grow over the next couple months, because my clear goal with this project is to reach 1 Bitcoin, and I will show you in a few minutes how big my position size exactly is in this project. Then of course we have the two miner projects, the BNB miner. I made a dedicated video yesterday about it. This project is currently doing very well. We are close to reach the 1000 BNB in the contract balance. For a project which is now almost 840 days old, these are outstanding results. The second miner project I'm still invested in is the Fortune miner, and we are here also slowing down in terms of withdrawals, so there might be a turnaround in the upcoming weeks as well. Then another big position here on place 3, Stasis Network. Also made a few videos about this project. This is of course also a long-term project, very similar to MDB, and this is one I'm not taking profits right now. I will run this for at least 6 to 12 months and then see where we are. My two ARC positions right here with 6%, and around it should be 0.5% are going down because the price is decreasing and the product fees currently are not able to catch up on the outflow of the project. Then we have the Up Finance NFTs, not much information over there. If there's some new information, I will release a video about it. There will be a new project this month, which is called Rise. I will make a dedicated video about this as soon as there is more information about it. Then we have Project 79, a great long-term cash flow project. I wanted to do a video about it, but there are quite some good videos out there which you might check out. Some great AMAs, especially on the channel of Max Cashflow, so you might want to jump to his channel and check out the newest information. Then of course we have the ArcNet allocation right here with all the privacy products which will be released in the future. So let's see how this plays out. Then Trust Your Universe, or as it's now called, Universe Trading, solid cash flow project with currently around 3 to 6% a month. True Seekers, yeah, I think we all know, a struggling project. They're now changing their company name and just want to be a software company. Let's see how this plays out. Next position, Foxify. This one is one I'm very bullish about. I already allocated 1000 USDC in this project for the pre-sale NFT, but of course I will go into this project more heavy once the tokens are available. Then my three Furio positions, I think same example as ARC, price is going down. Furio Finance should launch this month on the 25th. Maybe I will do a video about that before it launches, because I already allocated 800 US dollars in the first pre-sale a few months ago. So I will be invested in this one. Let's see how it plays out. And then we have two smaller, or let's say three smaller positions with USDFi. This is a yield farming position, Orange Financial as well. There I'm just holding NFTs and get my yield farming rewards sent to me on a weekly or 2 weekly basis. And then I of course also have a Stasis Viking NFT, which distributes Stasis token to me on a weekly basis. And now you might want to also see how big my position sizes exactly are in dollar terms. So let's take a look on that. So the portfolio has currently a value of roughly 32,000 US dollars. As I already mentioned in the beginning, Wolf Capital and Speakeasy are not included here anymore, which were around 5,000 to 6,000 US dollars. But I think the portfolio kept up quite good if we compare it to the last month, where we were at roughly 33,000 US dollars. So there is just a change of 1,000 US dollars in terms of portfolio value. And here you can see the whole positions right here. Some of them are long-term projects. Then I also have some cash flow projects. The best one right now is the BNB miner, of course. Speakeasy and Wolf Capital were also cash flow projects. And then I have my NFTs. For example, also these Foxify Bronze NFTs, which I will probably merge into a silver one. I also minted a gold one, so I was quite lucky over there, which should be worth several thousand US dollars in the future. So I'm holding on to it, and I didn't include it in this portfolio because I never showed it on my YouTube channel yet, but would probably be in the next portfolio video. So that should do it for the July update. If you want to share your portfolio or just your 3 best projects which are currently running and rewarding you on a daily, weekly or monthly basis, feel free to do it down in the comment section. You will find the link to my #1 project, Profit Wallet, down in the description box. This one is running on Telegram, so you might want to check it out. This should do it for this video. If you liked it, would be great if you can hit the like button. And if you don't want to miss future updates, especially on this series, you might want to also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's get this crypto.